Hello, in this video I will guide you how to draw a speech bubble in MS Word. So first you need to click on the insert and go to the shapes. Click on that, and after that you need to scroll down and you will see there is a call out actions. So here is the rectangle bubble, and here is the rectangle bubbles with corners rounded, and the third one is the oval rectangle bubble. So it's up to you which one you select. So for this I am selecting the oval. Now you drag, click the mouse button and drag it, and you will see there is a orange dot. So you can just drag it to the anywhere on the page on which side you want to move it. If you want to change the color, click on shape fields and select the colors of your choice. For example, I'm selecting this purple one. And if you want to make the outline thick, then you have to do is go to the shape outline, and first you need to select the color, and then again click on that, and you need to wait, click on that, and after that you need to select the weight size. I'm selecting the 21 by 4 pt. Click inside the bubble box and type anything you want to write it. For example, I am writing hello, and you want to change the color, select the color and go to the home, and here if you want to change it to the orange, you can select it, and if you also apply to the text effects, this is much better. Further, if you try to move it on the page, you are unable to move it. So what you have to do is you need to click on this layout option and then click on the square. This is the square, and after that now the call out speech bubble is moving anywhere on the Word document. So this is pretty simple and very easy. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.